I feel like I look like that meme where the panda has no black fur around its eyes. That's literally me right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you are new, thank you for clicking onto this video. My name is Ling, but y'all can call me Auntie Ling Ling. You guys inspired me to film this video because I get so many questions from you guys on Instagram asking how to do eyeliner, and I thought why not take this opportunity to create a YouTube video and I talk to you guys about how I do my own eyeliner. And I also want to show you guys how I apply false lashes as well. So I have really small monolid eyes and I'm sure a lot of you guys do as well. So the way I do my eyeliner, it might not be your style because I like to do my eyeliner quite thick and quite dramatic because that way it really shows in my eyes. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner on a daily basis, which is quite thick, quite long, quite in your face. So if you want to know how to do a dramatic eyeliner that everyone can see on small monolid eyes, then this video is for you. Now, I'm not saying that this eyeliner won't work for every eye shape. It definitely will, whether you have hooded eyes or whether you have big, beautiful Bambi eyes. This eyeliner will suit everyone because when I was a freelance makeup artist, I would obviously do my eyeliner on other people as well with different eye shapes, and it works really, really well. I just want to reassure the people who has got similar eye shape to me that you can do this eyeliner. So without further ado, let's begin. So a little trick for people who has monolid eyes, I recommend in contouring your eyelids before you go ahead and put any eyeliner on. For people who has double eyelids already, you can skip this step if you wanted to, but I do recommend in putting a little bit of concealer over your eyelid just to like cover any veins or any dark circles. If you have double eyelids, then you can skip the step if you want to, but I do recommend in contouring only because it can help enhance your eye shape. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use to help contour my eyes will be the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams. Using the Spectrum A06 brush, I'm going to use the shade Cabana Time, which is a very beigey shade. Now, whatever skin tone you are, use eyeshadow that's very similar to your skin tone to help set the concealer or the eyeshadow primer that you have on your eyelid. What happens if you don't set your concealer or eyeshadow primer on your eyelid? It can go either two ways. The concealer could rub off during the day, so if you do have oily eyelids, they'll just disappear and then, you know, most likely you're going to be annoyed and it will crease up as well. If you have an eyeshadow primer and you don't set it, it could dry really crusty on your eyelid, or it could just disappear and yeah, disintegrate into the world. So now that the concealer is set, I'm going to use the shade Rum Tiki from the Too Faced Palm Springs eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the Spectrum B04 brush. This is a very nice small angled eyeshadow brush. I recommend this brush for people who has small eyes as well because you can really push the eyeshadow in areas of your eyelid to really help enhance the shape. And this is a very good brush for blending as well, and it's synthetic, which is amazing. So I'm going to apply Rum Tiki literally on my crease over here. And how you find your crease is that you want to kind of touch your eyelid just very lightly and you feel a bone, and that's where you want to put the eyeshadow. And I'm only putting it here, most of the shadow, and then I'm blending it upwards to the brow just a little bit, and then I am going to blend the shadow in towards my inner corner of my eyes like this. And that is how you contour your eyelids. So you're enhancing that bone on your eye socket area. I know that sounds so weird, but I love doing this because I've noticed such a big difference in my eye look games. I know it's really weird how I'm describing how to contour your eyelids, but this is honestly the best way to really enhance the shape. And this works for people who've got small eyes, hooded eyes, monolid eyes, double eyelids, whatever eye shape you have. This is such a good trick. So I'm looking directly at you guys so you guys can see the difference. What a difference, oh my god. Now you can apply more eyeshadow on the line of your lashes, but I'm not going to because eyeliner is going there already. But if you want to, you can apply a shimmer eyeshadow if you want to add a little bit of bling on your eyes, or you can add in another color if you wanted to. It could be something colorful like a blue or a purple or a green, whatever you fancy. But I'm just going to leave it plain because I really want to talk to you guys about how to do an eyeliner and I don't want to have any like colors to distract you guys. So eyeliners, I have so many favorite eyeliners. It's actually ridiculous. Like I don't just have one favorite eyeliner, there's so many good eyeliners out there. So some of my favorite ones that I found in my drawer, I do really like the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. This dries super matte and it's very, very budge proof as well. It literally stays on your eyelids all day. I also am a big fan of Eyeko eyeliners. Huge fan of Benefit roller liner. I've been using this non-stop for the past like I don't know how long. Since it first came out, I was so shook at how good this is, and also the tip is so fine, so you can really make a nice cat eye. Another eyeliner that I really love, and it's very bougie, you don't have to get this eyeliner, guys, it's just that I just have this because I wanted it, and yeah, I just love how it's like double-ended. So this is the Tom Ford double-ended eyeliner. One side is very small and skinny, and the other side is quite thick. I love the Tom Ford eyeliner because of the quality of the bristles of the pen. Like, it's so like soft, and it just doesn't feel dry, and it doesn't like tug on the skin or anything, and it dries matte and it stays on the eyes all day as well. Another brand that does amazing eyeliner is NYX Cosmetics. So I'll leave a list of all my favorite eyeliners down below in the description box for you guys. So when it comes to doing eyeliner, it really depends on what type of eyeliner that you personally like. So I have been searching thick and thin what type of eyeliner I like, and I realized that I like an eyeliner where it's very pointy, as in the applicator, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I like a thin, pointy eyeliner because I feel like that's what really works for small eyes. And I also like eyeliners that set matte as well. When I wear an eyeliner that's shiny, it just, I don't know, it just makes me not feel confident about my eyes. It's really weird to explain. I feel like it just doesn't enhance my eye shape the way I want it to. So I like a matte, black, thick eyeliner. So yeah, it's all about discovering what type of eyeliners you like. You might like gel liner, and it's all about finding the right brush for you. So a brush that I recommend for people who likes gel liner, I recommend looking at the Bedillion 763 brush. So this is a very thin angled brush, and it's just not thick at all, and can really pick up a lot of products. I love gel liners, but I rather just use a liquid pen liner because it's just quick and easy for me. But gel liners are amazing, especially for people who has very like oily eyelids and they need something that stays in place all day. Gel liner that I recommend would be Maybelline and Inglot. Okay, let's begin on the eyeliner. So I've zoomed you guys right into my eyes, that way you can see every little detail. Don't mind the pores and the greasiness on my face. So I'm going to use a nudie pencil just to mark up where I want to do my eyeliner. So what you want to do is that you want to look at the shape of your eyes, and you want to have a handheld mirror, which I really recommend, and look directly into the mirror, and you kind of just want to like pull a neutral face. And then as you're looking forward towards the mirror, you want to see how high up you want your eyeliner. Like, do you want your eyeliner like all the way up here, or do you want your eyeliner quite short, or do you want a itty bitty baby eyeliner down here? So by looking straight onto the mirror, you can kind of see how high up you want to go towards your eyebrows, or do you want to go quite low towards your cheekbone. So where my eyebrow ends, that's where I want my eyeliner flick to be. So I kind of want it not connected, but I kind of want it to be like there. And then once you've figured out where you want your flick to be, you can determine how thick you want it to go. Another eyeliner trick that you guys can do is you can use a pencil to mark up your eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go at the end of my eyelid and just do a flick upwards. And I'm not going to go too high because I don't know how high up I want to go. I might change my mind. I might want to go smaller, or I might want to go really long and big. So I always recommend doing the flick first, and then go in and connect the flick. And then at the top of the flick, I'm going to draw it down and draw across my eyelid. The reason why I recommend a pencil is because it's quite easy to play around with. As for using a liquid eyeliner or a gel, once it's set, it's a bitch to take off and start again. As for a pencil, it's quite easy to maneuver and play around with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color in and darken my eyeliner. And you see the flick, you kind of want to avoid playing around with the flick because you don't want to accidentally like make it too thick or get rid of the point. You kind of just want to like leave it. So this is the base of the eyeliner. I really hope my explaining helped. You can obviously leave your eyeliner like this, or you can take it to the next level by adding the liquid liner. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Now that I have the base of the eyeliner, I'm actually going to follow it, but I'm going to make the flick a little bit longer and a little bit more dramatic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rest my elbow against a table and hold my mirror. That way everything is in place and balanced, and I'm not all over the place like this. And then you want to hold your breath. I recommend holding your breath when doing an eyeliner because you're very concentrated. So again, looking straight into the mirror, holding my breath, going to do a flick first, and then I'm going to leave like a little millimeter off the end of the flick. Like, I'm not going to connect my next liner onto my eyelid. I'm going to just leave a little bit of the end. Don't be afraid to go really thick on this area of the eyeliner. As long as the flick is very skinny, you're fine, you're good to go. And that is how you do an eyeliner. To really make the eyeliner stand out and more fierce, get a little bit of concealer. I recommend using a solid concealer, not a super liquidy concealer. If you're going to use a liquidy concealer, make sure you use the tiniest amount of concealer. Otherwise, the concealer could go into the eyeliner and it just could become a hot mess. So I like to use the soft matte concealer from NARS, and I like to use just a little bit. And I'm just going to neaten the end of my eyeliner, and this is just going to help make it more precise. Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about when it comes to doing eyeliner on small monolid eyes is that you don't want to be afraid to thicken this area of the eyeliner. If you want to go thick, because when you open your eyes, at least you can see the line. If you used to have a very small thin line when you open your eyes, people can't see it because of your eyelids, it kind of just disappears. So I definitely recommend, if you want to make your eyeliner stand out a little bit more, don't be afraid of going thick. And I want to show you guys how to do like a Cleopatra eyeliner. So using the same eyeliner from ABH. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to flip over my arm like this. Very uncomfortable. But it's worth it though, because this eyeliner is just my favorite style of liner. So what you want to do is that you want to hold your liner like this, kind of flat against the skin. You don't want to draw it on straight on like this. You kind of want to put it in a certain angle, and then looking into the mirror with your eyes open, holding your breath, you want to draw a little line like that. It doesn't look great, but it will in just a mo. Then I'm going to apply a liner above here and connecting it to the middle part of my liner. You can use a pencil to draw like a draft, but what I do recommend is make sure you really sharpen your pencil so it's super, what the hell? So it's super pointy. That way you can do the inner corner of your eyes. Next step is eyelashes. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Samantha eyelashes. These are my favorite eyelashes. If you got small eyes, oh my god, these eyelashes really enhance and really make your eyes pow. So in order to help get the eyelashes out of the packaging, what I recommend is bending the thingy and then pull the eyelashes from the middle. For the longest time ever, I used to just pull my eyelashes out and they would just break so easy, and it got me so angry, because eyelashes is one of those things where you spend so much money on, and it's like, oh my god, the last thing you want is to break an eyelash, especially when it's brand new as well. What you want to do is you want to get your tweezers and then hold it in the center part of your eyelashes, and then just like I said, look into the mirror straight on, and then have your eyes open and then kind of see if you need to cut your eyelashes. So with these eyelashes, I need to cut a little bit off the end, so I'm only going to cut a little bit. Don't cut too much off. You may end up cutting a lot more off than you think. Always cut off a little bit first and just go in and see if it fits your eyelid. So yeah, this fits my eyelid. I'm gonna use my favorite glue. This is Duo, which you can get from Amazon. I'm only gonna apply just 2 layers of glue on the lash strip. So this is the part where I feel like some people forget to do. Make sure you leave the lash glue on the lash strip and just let it go tacky for about 10-15 seconds, and then go ahead and apply it on the eyelids. Because if you put these on and the lash glue is not like tacky, it's just gonna go all over the place and the lash glue would just go all up in your eyeliner, and yeah, it's very stressful because I've been through that so many times. So I'm having the mirror down like this. That way I can see all my eyelashes right here. And then I'm going to apply the falsies just above my real lashes. And then with the help of the tweezers, you can push the false lashes closer to your eyelids. And voila! They are on. Also, with your tweezers, you want to push your eyelashes upwards, because you don't want your eyelashes going down, because then you just end up covering your eyes with your lashes and then you just can't see. And this is going to help enhance the eye shape. What a difference. Wow. But I love these eyelashes so much. So I just went off camera to finish off the second eye. I just want to talk to you guys about how to make the eyeliners even. It all goes down to looking into the mirror. As long as you look straight into the mirror and you use the pencil liner to help mark up, you will be fine. Honestly, trust me guys, it takes a lot of practice when it comes to eyeliner. So these are some of my tips and tricks of how to do eyeliner and how to apply false lashes as well. I really hope you guys found them helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to explain and help you guys out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. Please do, it would mean so much to me. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys!